Hey y'all, Braxton Boys Maintenance back again. Today we have an outlet. This here is the beginning of our circuit. We're going to replace this outlet with a Gfci. This here is a 15 amp. On the back side here you have your line in and your load out. This here goes to your receptacles, as it says, and from the breaker. So you want to make sure you know where your line is coming from your breaker and where your load to continue the series, which will go up here, and we'll be installing a USB outlet up there. That'll be part 2 of this video. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can know when we post more videos. So we're going to go turn the power off, put you up on the stand, and be back with you. Let me just put this out here. This here is a outlet tester. It's by Klein. Very, very useful. Just plug it in. I have 2 orange lights, which means it is wired correctly. It'll tell you if your hot and neutral are reversed, your hot and ground are reversed. If you have a open hot, or those wonderful pull your hair out head scratchers for an open neutral or an open ground. So this will basically tell you if you lost a leg somewhere in that room. Alright, so now the power's turned off. Let's go ahead and take this guy out. Just undo these 2 screws. Past maintenance. Notorious for using drywall screws. With the outlet gone, I just went ahead and take the screws right out of it. I'm going to go through with my linemen, straighten up the wires on a Gfci. These are a combination stab back. I could go around the screw here, but there's a little plate in there that also tightens on these stab backs. This sticker here, once again, is your load. Don't put your line down here. It will not work. So next what we're going to do is we're going to have to find out which one's our leg for the load and which one is our leg for the line. We're going to use our handy dandy non-conductive voltage test or non-contact voltage tester. Just tell us which one's hot, which one's not. So I'm going to go carefully separate your wires. Make sure they are separated. I'm going to go turn the breaker on, identify which one, mark the wire, and be back with you. Alright, with the breaker turned back on, I don't know which one is hot. So here we go. The bottom is not. The top here is live. So I'm going to mark the top, and this one is our load. Alright y'all, I'm back. I went ahead and marked the line in It is not hot. So I know I usually carry around white, black, and red electrical tape. These are also great for some of the water heaters that we get around here. You have two black lines going in, or a white and a black that someone sharpied. But I'll show you that in another video. For this, it's going to be the line in, our line in, and our load. Electrical box here, so I have, make sure these two are on top, these two are together, they're on the bottom. Remember, for your outlets, green to ground, your green here is to ground, your brass to black, and your white is your silver. With the connections now all completed, I'm going to try to press it in nice and neat as I can. Secure it, test it. Alright, now since we have the Gfci completely hooked up, I went ahead and turned the breaker back on. Show you one more trick on this. I plug this guy in just to make sure it is wired correctly. Plug it in down here. There's this little button. So there's this little button right here. We're going to press it. It pops the reset. Push it. Pops that reset. With Gfci's, this being the line going in from the breaker and along to the rest of the outlets, if this guy trips, just press that reset and the rest of your outlets will work again. Thanks for watching. This is Braxton Boys Maintenance. Like, subscribe, and comment. Ring that bell